Good morning, Dad.
Take care of that stuff.
Where portions of northern Connecticut, including the following areas: Hartford, Connecticut.
Oh, it's just KZ40.
Portions of Massachusetts, including the following areas: Central Middlesex, Massachusetts, Eastern Franklin, Massachusetts, Eastern Hampshire, Massachusetts, Eastern Hampshire, Massachusetts, Northern Middlesex, Massachusetts, Northern Worcester, Massachusetts, Southern Worcester, Massachusetts, and Western Essex, Massachusetts. Portions of northern Rhode Island, including the following area: Northwest Providence, Rhode Island. When? Through late Tuesday night. Impacts. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other reliable
That's not the main station, by the way.
Flooding may occur
That's
in
the
poor drainage
alternative
and urban
one.
areas. Additional details. Radar and gauge estimates indicate 2 to localized amounts as much as 4 inches fell across portions of western and central Massachusetts and northern Connecticut yesterday afternoon and evening. Multiple rounds of showers and thunderstorms are anticipated through July 4th, which may produce additional rain amounts between 1 and up to 3 inches of rain. Slow-moving and redeveloping downpours may elevate the risk for urban and street flooding along with localized areas of rapid onset flash flooding. Excessive runoff will also result in rises on streams, creeks, and tributaries to potentially overbankful. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood.
Hell yeah! First 262-521 activation since 2017. Let's go.
Additional details. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage 1 tomorrow morning. It will then fall below flood stage Wednesday morning. Flood stage 7.0 feet.
$315?
Source. Radar and automated gauges. Impact. Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Jaffrey, Swansea, Marlborough, Fitzwilliam, Dublin, Richmond, and Troy. This includes the following wreck locations: Mount Monadnock.
Sam, so they don't go off again, please.
Dang, I'm sorry. I was working on my desk all night.
As well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Swansea, Winchester, Fitzwilliam, Richmond, and Troy.
Happy 4th of July! When? Until 5 p.m. this afternoon.
may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Additional details: portions of southern New Hampshire and far southwest may have had multiple rounds of heavy rainfall over the last few days. More showers and isolated thunderstorms will cross the region today with locally heavy downpours. Flash flood warnings in small rivers and streams.
Bunch of floods! Really, I love.
The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Belknap County in central New Hampshire, southeastern Carroll County in northern New Hampshire until 4 p.m.
Oh, we're not included.
26 p.m. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the Fludd area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Expected rainfall in New Hampshire in 1 hour. Carroll County flash flood warning for east shortly. Hazard flash flood caused by heavy rain. Source radar. Impact flash flooding of small creeks.
What? 1049! Hold on.
Warning, an advisory is in effect.
Hold on. Oh, no. 1049 relayed that. I've never heard them relay an alert. Hold on, guys. I might have a new station here. This station's never relayed anything, so. Hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that on 1049. New station for FM emergency alerts. Ah, again? Are you kidding? Ow. No, it's a flashy flash flood. That was quick. Let me see if that goes off. Ouch. Flooding of small creeks and streams, as well as other forward drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations will experience flash flooding. Ow! I hurt my shin getting out here.
State Park and Coleman State Park.
I'm not getting notifications for any of these for some reason. Excuse me. Yeah, I just heard IMBot go off for it. That was late. Usually that goes off first.
No. Jess, you got markers, different colors?
Probably. I just said I've never heard 93.3 go off. I just heard it going off.
That's why I want you to call me when you need Taylor Swift songs back to back. Do you have anything silver or gold?
Like that. Oh my god.
Another one. WTPL.
To the main.
What? An AM station's going off. What is this? I think I just got another new station. Hancock.
Yeah. Right now, I think more.
Turn that down, please.
Investment.
Central Grafton County in northern New Hampshire until 6:30 p.m. At 3:52 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. The expected rainfall rate is 2 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to follow shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Streams and brooks to rise. This can prove hazardous to hikers or recreational visitors to the area. Source: radar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Conway, Bethlehem, Lincoln, Haverhill, Canyon, Franconia, Lawton, Woodstock, Mount Washington. This includes the following: Notch State Park, Franconia Notch, and the White Mountain National Forest. In County in northern New Hampshire until 8:45 p.m. At 6:47 p.m., radar indicated thunderstorms positioned heavy rain in the area. Expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2.5 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Flash flood caused by thunderstorm service.
Currently hiring two
As well as other four drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Hanover, Piermont, and Orford.
This includes the following streams and drainages: Beanbrook, Upper Connecticut, Pascoma, Hughesbrook, Upper Connecticut, Pascoma, Pascoma River, Upper Connecticut, Pascoma, Cranbrook, Upper Connecticut, Pascoma, and Argentine Brook, Upper Connecticut, Pascoma. This is no weather radio station WX2.
162.45 megahertz from Saddleback Mountain near Deer.
Hat 5-2 almost late.
North Central Grafton County in northern New Hampshire until 7:45.
5-2 almost late, and I am bot.
Locations in Texas include Everett, California, Piermont.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring at this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle
Oh, that's a
on flooded
fail.
roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following county: Grafton, New Hampshire.
It registered as a 6-hour event on the 521 and activated late. See if I can get anything off of here. Wonder why the activate's not going off.
like that.